Bishop William Sebagala, the Bishop of Mukono Diocese, who is set to retire on the 26th of February, started his address with a vote of thanks to Christians for standing with him during his 12-year tenure at the helm of Mukono Diocese, quoting Philippians 4:13 as the basis for his work execution.
I would like to say that come February 26th, 2023, I will be retiring. And want to thank you who have stood with us all this period of 12 years. And want to thank you for all the developments that you have made, you have put up in Mukono.
In his Christmas message, the bishop called for peace, citing the prevalent insecurity amongst the population, ranging from attacks on security agencies and murder of innocent citizens.
We should all pray for our country that peace should prevail. Especially during this festive season, we have set up an office to assist parents who find it a problem to parent their children. You find that the young people who are energetic are the ones who don't actually want to work. And if these young people don't work, and they are the ones who are energetic, but they have left the gardens to the old people, and the old people cannot do much, it will be a crisis for this nation.
In his last remarks, Bishop Sebagala called for repentance from church land grabbers, commenting on the several other issues ranging from condemning reckless driving and a highlight on the preparations for installation of the new Bishop of Mukono Diocese.
We have lost a lot of land to people who are land grabbers. We are praying that the Lord may extend his heartfelt sympathy to them so that they can convert and repent. Otherwise, if they don't, the Lord will punish them. We are praying and appealing to people who are traveling, especially those going long journeys, to drive safely, avoid speeding up, and more especially, make sure that your vehicle is in good mechanical order. I want to assure the people of Mukono that there is no need for panic as to who is going to be the 50th Bishop of Mukono. So those of you who are very eager to know who the 5th Bishop will be, it's not the time. Let us wait until the House of Bishops sits. That's when we shall actually get to know who the 5th Bishop of Mukono is.